First, open Higgsfield AI and sign in to your account. To create AI videos for Instagram Reels, start by deciding what kind of short-form content you want to produce. You could create a product showcase, travel video, fashion clip, storytelling video, tutorial, promotional video, or another type of engaging short video. Before generating your video, plan a simple story with a strong opening. The first few seconds are especially important, so begin with an interesting visual, question, statement, or action that immediately gives viewers a reason to keep watching. Now open the video generation workspace in Higgsfield AI. Create your first scene by writing a detailed prompt. Describe the subject, environment, action, camera movement, lighting, mood, colors, and visual style. For example, you could describe a stylish fashion model walking through a modern city at sunset, with smooth cinematic camera movement, natural lighting, elegant clothing, realistic details, and a premium fashion commercial style. Generate the scene and review the result. If the movement or composition isn't correct, refine the prompt and generate another version. For Instagram Reels, choose a vertical portrait format when the current Higgsfield AI interface provides an appropriate aspect ratio. Create multiple short scenes and keep the visual style consistent throughout the video. After generating the clips, combine them in your preferred video editor. You can add voiceover, background music, sound effects, captions, transitions, and other elements to make the reel more engaging. Keep your text large enough to read on a mobile screen and avoid placing important information where Instagram's interface may cover it. Before publishing, watch the complete reel and check the pacing, framing, audio, captions, and transitions. Make sure the video looks good on a vertical phone screen and that the main subject remains clear.